Yeah, good morning. Here's a Suhl internal 2-point dial bore couch set from 10 till 19 millimeter. Actually, it's from 9.5 till 19.5 millimeter, because one of those probes takes 1 millimeter. So there's 2 balls in here, and here's the needle to transform this movement here in a and let's see if I can zoom in there. So there's a slight movement here of the needle, the bigger one. This is the 19 probe, also with 2 balls here inside. This set is a new old stock, never been used. Also here, small movement of the needle. This is the dial, 2 micrometer accuracy. Yeah, there's a depth holder. Here's one part to make even deeper measurements. Yeah, so this measurement tool was made in the factory of Zeiss Jena by Suhl. Here's a copy manual with in English. So it's a complete set. Everything is there, a new old stock. And let's see if I can make a setup to compare the 4 bearings here. So I know the hole is around 15. So I take the 15 millimeter probe. I put in the needle here. I can maybe use the depth tool. So here's the connection. Here's a handle to take the plunger. Now I'm going to put it roughly on 0. So that's roughly 0. And then I have a fine adjustment here to rotate the dial, so there's an exact 0. Okay, let's put it down. So I'll put it back up, see what happens there. Yeah, it comes back to 0. Let's take another one. So that 4 thousandths difference there. Let's take the third. Beautiful close to the first one. And we have the last one here. Yeah, this one is close to the second. So, perfect way of comparing these 4 holes. Thank you for watching. That's it for now.